Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose passwords and security. Then tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern pin or password. Tap on the best one for you, wait 5 seconds and tap on got it. Now enter your login method and repeat it. When you're ready, select confirm at the bottom right corner and tap on add if you wish to add your fingerprint right away. I don't want to those, I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen, turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!